The name all grey here means a monochrome design. The body, including the carbon fiber body kit, wheels, and all exterior trim are painted grey. The interior is diluted with carbon fiber trim under a glossy varnish and accent lines in contrasting red. Grey leather is used for the upholstery, with decorative stitching and piping in the same tone. The BRABUS 1000 All Grey Sedan is part of the BRABUS Collection 2025 series and has received all possible modifications. This includes an upgraded V8 biturbo engine, which allowed the hybrid system to produce 1,000 horsepower and 1,820 Nm of torque. BRABUS Sport Extra suspension lowering module, -10mm, 10-spoke monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels, with a diameter of 22 inches. The BRABUS 1000 All Grey accelerates to 100 km/h in 3.1 seconds, and reaches the second 100 in 9.7 seconds. The maximum speed of the BRABUS Hybrid is 290 km/h.